We're here tonight with the National Association of Home Builders Student Chapter at State College Area High School. This club is an extension of the courses we teach here at the school, which we teach building construction technology, and it's a residential construction program that's aligned with the National Association of Home Builders curriculum. And we basically teach everything you need to know to build a house from the ground up. Generally, we run this heavy equipment unit with equipment for 2 weeks. The unit will last 3 weeks. For the 2 weeks that we have the equipment, so generously donated, we spend a week on pavement, honing skills, teaching all the controls on the equipment so students become familiar and adept at using them. And then our second week, we take them up to the dirt, and the school district gives us a little space so that we can have them actually experience using machines in their intended purpose. I personally have been a customer for Bestline for over 20 years with my own business, and when I started this job, I was so thankful to find out that Bestline's been a continuous supporter of our program, helping young people gain access to equipment to learn how to use it and gain insight into potential careers in the industry. Without Bestline, I don't know that we'd be able to offer such an enriched experience for them. It's really integral to what we do, and in fact, it's one of the most popular units we teach.